Have you ever wondered what a modern Ford Taurus could look like if it made a comeback in 2026? Picture this: a sleek, hybrid-powered midsize sedan that blends bold, futuristic design with eco-conscious engineering. Ford is leaning into electrification, and the Taurus could return with a hybrid-first ethos. Imagine combining an electric motor with a gasoline engine to deliver both impressive fuel efficiency and compelling performance. That's exactly how the 2026 Taurus promises to redefine itself for today's drivers. Visually, this version of the Taurus pushes styling into new territory. Think sculpted body lines, a striking front grille, razor-sharp LED lighting, and a confident stance that says, "Executive meets athletic." It's a sedan that manages to look both refined and energetic, giving off luxury vibes without losing that sporty edge. Step inside, and you'd find a cabin that keeps pace with the exterior's promise. Expect premium materials, ambient lighting, dual-screen infotainment, and a fully digital instrument cluster. Connectivity remains a strong focus, with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. Safety is stepped up too, with Ford's Copilot 360 driver assist suite likely standard, covering adaptive cruise, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and more. Under the hood, sources point to a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid powertrain providing a seamless mix of electric torque and gasoline efficiency, ideal for daily commutes and long hauls. Rumors also suggest the return of a high-performance show variant equipped with a twin-turbo V6, sport-tuned suspension, paddle shifters, and maybe all-wheel drive. Imagine a sedan that handles with intention and moves with urgency, though it's worth noting some reports push back on those claims, calling them speculative or AI-generated hype. When it comes to trims, the base model might start around $28,000, offering solid value for those prioritizing tech, style, and efficiency. Mid and upper trims, SEL and titanium, for example, could bring in premium touches like leather seating, larger displays, hands-free highway driving, and enhanced audio systems. And if the show variant materializes, expect a performance-oriented package designed to dare other sporty sedans to keep up. Imagine delivering all of this in a world where SUVs dominate. The Taurus could be Ford's bold move to reclaim sedan lovers, offering a refined, tech-rich, efficient ride that also honors its legacy. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about proving that four-door sedans still belong in the future.